Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to create this beautiful smoky eye makeup look, and yes, I'm going to use a lot of new drugstore products and also high-end products. And yes, let's get started. I'm going to use this Pixi Beauty Rose Face Cream. I used this in one of my previous videos and I really love this cream. Also, I'm going to use my favorite Burts Base lip balm. This is really moisturizing and I love it. Okay, this is a lip plumping lip gloss from Pixi Beauty. This is a new product and I really love it. It's not sticky and it stays on for hours and it's really moisturizing, and yes, I love it. Okay, to prime my eyelids, I'm going to use my favorite concealer from Too Faced. This is their Born This Way concealer in the shade Almond. And also I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder to set the concealer. And yes, also today for the first time I'm going to use Scotch to blend my eyeshadows. And yes, okay, for my eyeshadows I'm going to use this Lancome Glow eyeshadow palette. And the first shade I'm going to use is this creamy nude shade as a transition shade. Also, I wanted to tell you that this eyeshadow palette is not really pigmented. As you can see, I'm trying to build the transition shade because it's not really pigmented. And I was expecting a little bit more from Lancome eyeshadow palette because all the products I used from Lancome are really amazing. But this eyeshadow palette is not really pigmented and I'm not recommending you to try this eyeshadow palette. Okay, also I'm going to use this brown shade from the palette, and now I'm going to use this Lancome Hypnose eyeshadow stick, which is a black eyeshadow stick, and I'm going to create like eyeliner, and then I'm going to smudge the eyeliner with the black eyeshadow from the same eyeshadow palette. And yes, I'm going to pack the color, and then I'm going to smudge the eyeshadow a little bit. And yes, there is a lot of amazing eyeshadow palettes in the drugstore and they are so much more like pigmented than this eyeshadow palette, and this is why I'm not like really recommending you to buy and try this eyeshadow palette. Okay, I'm not recommending you to try this eyeshadow palette because I was expecting a lot more from this eyeshadow palette because it's Lancome, it's expensive, it's high-end, and also I love Lancome products, but this eyeshadow palette is not worth it, and there is so many a lot cheaper and better eyeshadow palettes. And yes, also I'm going to use these two creamy beige shades to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. And yes, okay, now I'm going to use this Rimmel eyeliner. I don't use eyeliner that often, but I really like this eyeliner. Also, it dries matte, and yes, it was really good. And I like it also because it's a drugstore product. It's really cheap, and yes, I'm really impressed by all of the Rimmel products, and they're really amazing. Yes, I like it, and I highly recommend this eyeliner. Also, I'm going to use this new mascara from Maybelline. This is their Lash Lift Mascara. It's amazing. It's volumizing my eyelashes. It's really curling my eyelashes, and I love it, and it's amazing. Also, I'm going to use this eyelashes from Ardell. Okay, now I'm going to use this Lancome Teint Idole Color Corrector, and also I'm going to use this Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, which is my favorite foundation. I really love how beautiful it makes my skin and how glowy and natural it looks like, and also it covers everything and still looks natural. I really love this foundation, and I highly recommend you to try this foundation because it's amazing. And yes, also, I'm going to use this Too Faced Born This Way concealer, which is my current favorite concealer. It's really hydrating, but also it covers everything. It's full coverage, and I really like it. It's amazing, and I highly recommend you to try this concealer because it's amazing. I love it. And yes, I'm highlighting my face with this concealer. And yes, and also I'm going to blend this concealer with my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion blending sponge. This is really amazing and I really like it. It's really affordable. You can buy this at like Target, Ulta. It's really amazing. And yes, also I'm going to set the concealer with this Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is one of my favorite powders, and I love this powder and I highly recommend you to try it. And yes, it's amazing. Also, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me powder to set my foundation. This powder is really affordable, but it's really amazing and I love it. And for contouring my face, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Total Face Palette. I have videos where I'm contouring my face. You can watch these videos. And now I'm going to use my favorite eyebrow product. This is the Anasasia Dipbrow pomade in the shade Ebony. And also I'm going to use a new eyebrow product today. This is from Rimmel. This is their new eyebrow pen, and I'm like creating little eyebrow strokes, and this is really good. I love it, and it's also affordable, and yes, I really love it. You can try it. And also today I'm going to use a new eyebrow gel. This is from Maybelline. This is their brow sculpt eyebrow gel. And yes, I love it. It's a clear eyebrow gel, but I really like it. And yes. Okay, also I'm going to use this new eyeliner from Lancome. This eyeliner wasn't good. It was irritating my eyes and it was not pigmented. You can see this is why I'm going to use my favorite eyeliner. It's from Pixi Beauty. This is their silky endless eyeliner and it's really easy to use. I really love it. And now I'm going to apply the same black eyeshadow from this eyeshadow palette on my lower lash line, and also this creamy beige shade on my lower lash line. And yes, okay, now I'm going to use these new blushes from Maybelline. These are their new cream blushes. I'm really excited to try these blushes. Actually, they're really pigmented, as you can see, and this was the first time I was using a cream blush. It's really amazing, and it was really easy to blend. Actually, it was taking off my foundation a little bit, but it still looks beautiful, and it's really beautiful. This is the shade Rose Flush, and it looks amazing. I really love it, and I highly recommend you to try these blushes, especially for now. It's spring, and it's going to look beautiful for fresh, natural spring makeup looks. And yes, it's amazing. Okay, also I'm going to use this Pixi Beauty Glow Mist. It's amazing. I really love it. This is my current favorite setting spray for setting my makeup. I love it. Also, I'm going to use my favorite highlighter from Artist Couture. This is their Illuminati highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter, and also I'm going to use this Real Techniques setting brush. This is like perfect for applying highlighter. I really love this brush, and yes. Also, I'm going to use this lip liner from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is their duo lip liner, which is really amazing and really pigmented. This is their lip liner in the shade dark brown, and this lip liner is really amazing. And now I'm going to use this Maybelline Superstay liquid lipstick. These lipsticks are really pigmented, but I really like other liquid lipsticks a lot better. This is not my favorite liquid lipstick. It was a little bit sticky, but the shade was really good, and for this makeup look, this is amazing. Okay, also I'm going to use this Maybelline Superstay Lip Crayon in the shade Trust Your Gut. This is really pigmented, and with this pink liquid lipstick, it's just amazing, and I really like this lip combo. It looks amazing and perfect for this makeup look. And yes, also I'm going to use this Elf Cosmetics clear lip gloss to finish this makeup look. And yes, I love this makeup look, and this is everything for today's video. Love you, see you in my next video. Bye.